Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine Janae. If you're new here, I'm a digital media journalist for Brit & Co. and I write everything from fashion to beauty to entertainment, mostly books. And I'm a full-time stay-at-home mommy, still trying to figure that one out. But in my free time, I like to create content. So let's get into this video.
Soundstripe.
Instead of kicking the new year off with a vlog, I decided to sit down and do like a quick chit chat about the top beauty products that I fell in love with last year. So I have them here and I don't want to make this like a 20-minute video, so let's hurry up and run through everything, right? Before I talk about the CeraVe cleanser and why it was my surprise favorite beauty product of last year, let's talk about my skin. So I have combination skin that's also acne prone and it's a little sensitive, and I bought this product because I had a mishap with something else that I thought would help my skin. I had like a really bad acne flare up last year and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this benzoyl peroxide cleanser. And y'all, it tore my skin up. My skin was on fire. It made my acne worse and it dried my skin out. So I hopped on one of Reddit's skincare threads to see what could help my skin if it was inflamed and just irritated. And I saw a couple of people talking about CeraVe's foaming cleanser. Now I was a little skeptical because I've used Cetaphil in the past and I didn't want to have like another mishap happened with that. So I was like, I don't know much about CeraVe. I've never tried their products, but the way I was feeling, I had my fiance go to Target. This is prior to everything that's going on, so if you're anti-Target, don't come for me. This happened before I knew Target was rolling back things. Anyway, had him go there and pick this up. He actually stole this out of somebody's cart. I'm so sorry, ma'am. If you had a CeraVe foaming cleanser in your cart at Target last year and it went missing, I am so sorry. But anyway, he got this product and I immediately used it, and probably after about a week and a half my skin went back to normal. And you know why? If you have oily skin or even combination skin, 9 times out of 10 you know that sometimes when our skin gets really dry, it thinks it has to work overtime to hydrate it, so it produces a ton of oil that clogs our pores and things just get haywire. It really doesn't take much to have an acne breakout when you have oily skin or combination skin. Ceramides, I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. If it's not, correct me in the comments. And it also has niacinamide in it, which we know hyaluronic acid is good for hydration. My skin loves that. And then the niacinamide helps to calm down that inflammation. So all 3 of these products are like things that I've used in the past, so having it in one product just makes so much sense to me. Oh, and did I mention that she's fragrance free? Like, there's no fragrance. It just smells clean and it does foam, but not the way that you're immediately thinking about. I mean, foam. You get like a good lather eventually, but it's more gel based. So when you first put it on, it's not going to be like, oh, immediate suds, which is fine. It's still doing what it's supposed to do without harming your skin. So I fell in love with this. This is in heavy rotation. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle, and a little bit goes a long way for my skin, and I still like have a little over half of this product left, so I'm rocking with CeraVe this year. I have zero problem saying that I am completely biased when it comes down to the toner that I use. So the only thing that I want to stick with, or things in this case because it's 2, they're by Pharmacy Beauty. One is their Deep Pore like cleaning toner, and it has 2% BHA in it and moringa and papaya. And then this one is a hydrating essence. Now this is the first time, or last year was the first time I ever put essence on my face because I'm like, what is this for? This Honey Milk by Pharmacy Beauty. Oh my gosh, so much hydration. I don't even know if my skin wants to know what it's like to not have a hydrating essence. So I use both of them interchangeably. Like, it depends on what's going on. So If I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm just cleansing my face, I will follow up with this 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. But if I'm wearing makeup, then I like to put on the Honey Milk Hydrating Essence because it creates just like the smooth, flawless foundation for my makeup, and I don't see as much oil at the end of the day when I have on a full face of makeup like now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was introduced to Timeless Skincare because they sent me over some product for work. But this vitamin C is so good that I went and bought it from Target. I got it from Target last year. I think it's under $30. I want to say, don't quote me on the price for sure. It's under $30. I know that. But it has 20% vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, y'all. I don't know how to say these things, but they have good stuff in it. It has good stuff in it. And when I introduced vitamin C into my skincare routine, I noticed that my hyperpigmentation wasn't as bad, which, yes, another thing, me having brown skin, I tend to get hyperpigmentation even if I don't mess with my acne. It just happens. My skin wants to protect itself and produce more melanin than it needs to. And I don't have a picture of what my skin used to look like before. Like 15 years ago, it was really, and I don't want to say bad because I feel like that's not a nice way to talk about your skin, but I have very visible hyperpigmentation all on my cheeks, my chin, and my forehead. So, introducing vitamin C has worked wonders for my skin. That's all I can say. The way that I feel about this e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer should be a shame and a disgrace. I have bought it so many times. Like, if you go on my bank account statements, and you will see how many times that I purchased it. It's $10, so they've gotten a lot of money out of me because, oh my gosh, this product is so good. It's so good. It's a dupe for Milk's primer. I tried that one, and for whatever reason, I don't know what it is. I'm not saying that it is a bad primer whatsoever, but my skin did not like Milk's primer. So this is like the closest thing to that works and does not cause breakouts. So it's combination, skin friendly, acne prone skin. Like, use it. Oh gosh, where do I even start? I never used skin tint before last year. I was against it. I thought that I didn't need it. I was team foundation to the day I die. But then I bought Danessa Myricks' Beauty Yummy Skin Tint, and it changed the game for me. So I love that it doesn't irritate my skin, one. Two, a little bit goes a long way for me. It can get up to medium coverage, but I feel like you don't even need a lot. It literally looks and feels like skin. So I've been wearing this. I'm wearing it right now, as you can see. And yes, I did break out a little bit over here. Hormones. We're working on it. I'm working on getting my hormones back together. But I wear this whenever I am wearing makeup. This is my base. So this and this together, chef's kiss. What would I do if they stopped making these products? I have no idea. I don't want to find out. So e.l.f. Cosmetics and Danessa Myricks Beauty, please keep these on your roster. Don't ever let us girls be without them, please. I have nothing against old school lip gloss, but lip treatments have become my thing. And Tower 28's, I think it's Ubi Vanilla is how you say it. This is their LipSoftie tinted lip treatment. My God. Not only does it give you a hint of like a dark cherry burgundy color, which is trending still, it's winter, but it's so hydrating and it goes on comfortably on my lips. Like, I'm wearing it on top of like my new lip combo that I'm trying out, and usually whenever I take pictures or whenever I go out or whatever the case may be, I'm 9 times out of 10 wearing this right here. Okay, I got it turned around backwards. I'm wearing this right here. So there you have it. Like I said, I did not want this to be long and drawn out. I wanted to get straight to the point for anybody who's looking for beauty products, or they're trying to figure out, hey, what should I really be investing in this year? And I don't want to say that all of these are like viral products. I don't think, well, this one definitely is, but I just get this stuff and I buy it because my skin genuinely loves it. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I just like to shop a lot. If you want me to do more of these videos, please make sure to give me a thumbs up on this one and like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video, whenever that might be, because who knows? I don't have a schedule yet, but we're working on it.
Sounds dry.
Another day, another morning. Oh look, it's a pimple that I need to get rid of. But how? Oh, Pharmacy's Green Line. But first I need to put on these cute wristbands to keep water from sliding down my elbows. Now I can use Pharmacy's Green Line. So I love these products because they have moringa and papaya in them, and they're meant to dry out any impurities. And that's really good if you have combination skin like I do. And yes, the moisturizer is green. Love all of that. Plus Pharmacy's Green Line makes my skin feel so soft. So soft. And that pimple hurts a lot less.